If you've recently applied for a US passport and want to check the status, here's how to do it online in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and search for Check US Passport Status. Click on the official link from the US Department of State, which usually shows up at the top. Once the page loads, you'll see a short notice about privacy and computer fraud. Click on this blue link to read the disclaimers and notices. After that, simply tick this box and click the Submit button to continue. Now, fill in your details. Enter your last name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Then, hit the Submit button. After that, your passport status will show up right on the screen. It could say things like In Process, Approved, or Shipped. If you're traveling in the next 14 days and still haven't received your passport, you can use the contact link on the same page to request urgent help. And if you run into any technical issues with the site, they also provide an email address where you can report problems. That's all you need to check your US passport status online. Just make sure you're using the official site and that your information is correct.